First and foremost, I want to start by giving all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakal Kodash. I'm Taziar Gabar from Prophets of Babylon, Waco, Texas, under the branch of the Prophets of Babylon, Tampa Bay, Florida camp. Double honors unto the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and salutation on down to the hopeful elect. And this video is on my Instagram page. Alright, and it says this huge cloud was found over Turkey and Syria. Alright, I believe this was prior to those earthquakes. But this is a sign, you know. And I'm gonna play the video. The things. God, here it is. Alright, these are the signs of thy time, you know, that we're at the end. Brothers in this truth know that this isn't some normal cloud. This is a chariot of the Lord. You know, the vehicles that the angels maneuver. Alright, and this was right before those earthquakes. So this is Matthew 24:6, and ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. So in the news, you're hearing the wars and the rumors, the missile talks, the threatenings is intensifying. All right, and Russia and Ukraine been going at it since 2021 or 2022, I believe. Yeah, 2022, you know. And it's only getting worse and worse. And these other countries are starting to get involved. So that's the wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled. So don't be troubled by this. For all these things must come to pass. Because this is going to lead up to that third World War III. And that's going to be Yahweh Shai grand return, you know, to the earth. Let's take in Ezra 13 chapter. So, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So all these things are happening. You know, you hear about the famines, the shortages, you know, the new mysterious pestilence coming up, and now, you know, earthquakes. Which there was one in Turkey, about 33,000 people died, and the number probably increased 7.8 magnitude. All right. So earthquakes in diverse places. All these things are the beginning of sorrows. All right. So these motherships right here, these chariots, are going to be our deliverance up out of this destruction. And this chariot being over Turkey, Syria, you know, that is a great sign. No kind. All right. The Lord is finna get ready to send mass death and destruction to the world, mainly here in America, you know. So this is what we're looking forward to. All right. And it's just going to get worse. It's gonna get worse from here on out. Kind, you know, just keeping this video simple. All right. And this is, you look at this chariot here, it has color to it. All right, it kind of resembles the blood moon, which we had one of those recently. All right, the moon turning into blood. That's the sign of destruction. All right. No. With that, close out, giving all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakal Kodash. I'm Tazi Gabar from Prophets of Babylon, Waco, Texas, under the branch of the Prophets of Babylon, Tampa Bay, Florida camp. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and salutation on down to the whole elect. I'm going to say Shalom, Abba, Babasu.